Okay, this wig is from Nadula hair. It came with the wig cap. It came with the wig band to tie the lace down. It also came with these little tape strips. I didn't use those, but it came with them. And it also come with these big ugly lashes. I made that face because I'm not wearing them lashes. And of course the wig. So this is my first reaction how it looked straight out the box, and it was looking a little crunchy. I'm like, okay, but then I seen the curls and I'm like, okay, pre-curl, that's cute. Then I seen in the front where the bangs are, it had a little roller already in the wig. And when I put the wig on, I'm like, oh no, baby, what is this? But y'all just keep watching the video. Y'all gonna see how I did this. I pushed the bangs back so I could put some lace spray on the lace so it could really stick and melt and look like scalp instead of a wig. So I'm about to show y'all me putting the makeup on, and then I'm just gonna add some lace spray to make it match my skin and also to melt into my scalp, as y'all can see. Then I'm just gonna go in with the wax stick to push all the hairs down, make it flat. We wear a wig, you don't want it to look like no helmet. You need it to look like scalp, flat, pressed in the hair. And y'all, I'm not that good at wigs. That's why I got this wig, because they say it's a wear and go. As y'all can see, I'm doing a little extra because I be wanting my wigs to look like I went to the salon, not that I just slapped it on like it's a helmet and went about my day. So I did a little extra work. I just found some TikTok tutorials. This is not no tutorial. This just me showing y'all how easy this wig was to put together. As y'all can see now, I'm putting a lace band on so the wig can stick on my head and not just be moving around. Of the video, I'm gonna just let y'all watch. Y'all can see what I'm doing. The link to this wig will be in the description. I got a 24-inch bang wig. It come out so cute, y'all. Just keep watching the video. Y'all gonna see the finished look. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. Do y'all think this wig worth the money? Would y'all buy it? Did I make it look cute? Tell me. Let me know. And also, if y'all have any tips on how to make my wigs look better, last longer, whatever, I'm open to constructive criticism. So let me know in the comments. this part I just started cutting some more layers. It was already layers and pre-curl, but I wanted to add layers that fit my face because everybody got different faces, different head shapes. So I wanted it to fit my head and my face. And I also did some cuts on the bang. Right here, I'm making that face because I'm like, honey, I'm not really feeling this. I was getting scared. Like, this wig come out ugly. Can I return it? Because I done cut it. I done put glue on it. Like, but y'all, it's gonna come out real cute. So y'all just trust the process. I promise y'all. Here is the finished look of how it came out. I curled the whole head, cut the bangs some more, and I'm just over here yapping. But again, this wig is from Nadula hair. The link will be in the description. All the details, the inches, the length, everything. I got it from Amazon. Y'all let me know, was this wig worth it? Everything I had to do. Is it cute? This is my first time rocking bangs, so I was a little skeptical, but I think it came out really cute. I did get a lot of compliments when I posted pictures, and also like when I went out with this wig on, I got a lot of compliments. So to me, it was worth it. I don't know if bangs is my look, but it was cute and it was nice to try. So that is all for this video. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.